Good morning, Kurt with Teach Mom How here. Today is day 8, workout number 8 of the 27 days to being able to run a 5K. This is how you run when you're overweight, out of shape, coming off an injury, or just flat out hate running. This is how you get to like it. Let's get started. Okay, so right now we're doing our 5-minute warm-up. That's the first thing. We walk for 5 minutes just to get warmed up. Make sure you got your Nike Run app, push start on that. If you're doing a treadmill like myself today, second day on my new treadmill, I'm loving it. If you're doing a treadmill or if you're on an indoor track, make sure you set Nike Run to indoor and then start your interval timer. Again, if you don't know how to set up the interval timer, you can go watch the video from the last workout, day 7, where I walk you through it. All right, we are coming to the end of our warm-up. Okay, this has been a 5-minute walk. We're about to start our first interval. We got 5 intervals today. We're gonna run, walk, run, walk, run, walk 5 times. Each time we're gonna add a little bit. All right, let's go. We're running for 1 minute, okay? It's just a 1-minute jog. Let's do this. All right, we're now walking for 1 minute. This is the walk part of our first interval. Up next, we got a 2-minute run. All right, interval 2 starts now. This is a 2-minute, sorry, super bumpy. This is a 2-minute jog. Get going. All right, good job. If you ran that whole 2 minutes, you did good. If you ran so hard that you can't do the 3-minute interval we're about to do, then you need to slow it down, okay? Find that happy spot. Find that spot where you can do each interval of running and then recover when we do the walks. Up next, we got a 3-minute jog. All right, we are now on a 3-minute jog or run. This is the longest we're gonna jog or run today, so make sure you find that pace that you can go for 3 minutes without walking or stopping. All right, boys and girls, it's all downhill from here for this workout. That was the longest run. We now get to walk for 3 minutes, recover. Up next, we got a 2-minute jog.
Halfway point, 15 minutes to go. Distance, 0.63 miles. Average pace, 23:33 per mile.
Slow, it's slow, right? That's not the goal of this, not to be fast. The goal of this is to learn to enjoy running. The goal of this is to ease into it so our legs can adjust and we can enjoy this and we can finish. All right, I'll see you on the next run. All right, kids, it's a 2-minute jog now. Sorry it's so bumpy. Make sure you get your 2-minute jog in. We're getting to the end of this workout. It's only 28 minutes long. Make sure you do the whole thing. Make sure you do L27 workouts and you'll learn to love running. All right, we're walking again. This is our 2-minute walk in, end of the interval. We have done 4 intervals. We got 1 more for 5 and a cool down, okay? Enjoy this last 2 minutes so you feel good on your last run. This is it, 1-minute jog, run, lock it in. You can do anything for 1 minute, so just find that pace and finish this 1-minute run. Let's go. All right, if you did all of what I just showed you, you gotta go do it now. Then you finished day 8 of this workout program, okay? Now, just to recap, so you can go do this on your own. You're gonna do a 5-minute warm-up, then a 1-minute jog, then a 1-minute walk, then a 2-minute jog, 2-minute walk, 3-minute jog, 3-minute walk, then you go back down. 2-minute jog, 2-minute walk, 1-minute jog, 1-minute walk, and then at the end, I'm on my 1-minute walk, you go right into your 5-minute cool down. So you're really gonna walk for 6 minutes, all right? You're not gonna remember all that when you go out and actually do this run on your own because you won't be watching this video. I condensed this just so you can get how it's supposed to look and go do it. So you need that interval timer. Go set up your interval timer, and then you don't even have to check your phone. See, there's my interval timer. That ring just told me that's the end of my workout. Now I start my 5-minute cool down. And then at the end of my 5 minutes, it's gonna ring again, and that's when I know I'm done. So set that up. Again, you can go back to any of these workouts if you missed. If you stumbled across this, go to day 1. All the links are in the description. And let's get healthy together. Let's enjoy running. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow for day 9.